Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. If you are looking closely at this, you'll see that we have two bees on the packaging. We have a 50p from 2022 with a JC portrait. Yeah, we're back on the strike your own era. Oops, there we go. We're back on the strike your own. This is the last coin in the Pooh and the Winnie the Pooh series. We've had 9 coins over 3 years and this is the last one, and they've decided to make this last one a strike your own. So we have Pooh and Friends there, which is exactly what's on the coin. So you have Tigger, Piglet, Pooh and Eeyore. The packaging on here has Winnie the Pooh, and you have the bees and the Disney classic. The writing on here says, "Congratulations on striking your very own UK coin as a memento of your visit to the Royal Mint experience. Disney's Winnie the Pooh can always count on his friends to join him in a wonderful adventure. Whether it's a quest to catch the heffalumps or a track down the woozles. Join Eeyore, Piglet, Pooh and Tigger as they gather in the 100-acre wood." So they give you a description of what the coin is all about, and now if you've had a look at this bottom area here, this here is what is reproduced on the coin itself. Now if you've seen my video about the colour bunk, you'll see just how much better the coin is in colour. These coins and the E.H. Shepherd drawings don't always, and they haven't always on this series, made for good coins. However, this last one isn't too bad. It's certainly a marked improvement on last year's Pooh and Friends, which was absolutely disgraceful. You couldn't make out head or heel about it, and even the colour one you had difficulty working out what was going on. Overall, I'm very impressed with the series. I have to say that. There were 3 or 4 very nice coins. I'm thinking the Pooh Bear one was good by himself. Christopher Robin one was good. The Eeyore was good. The Tigger, the Owl were all great coins. The Winnie the Pooh and Friends one was good and one was okay, which is this one, but the first one was appalling. The Kanga and Roo I was disappointed in, and the Piglet coin I didn't rate that one very well at all. But overall the whole series wasn't really aimed at somebody my age. It was aimed at a lot younger audience, and I can imagine if they've been or had these stories read to them in the recent past, this coin series would make perfect sense and they would love it. As I say, I'm glad I've got this. It adds to my collection, and I need to show a huge thanks to Bo Selector, who got me this coin from the Royal Mint experience, as I'm unable to get down there. So I'm very grateful to him, and long may we carry on with you going to the mint and providing me with coins for my collection. Without you I'd have been stuck and perhaps having to pay a lot more money to get the coins that I wanted. So huge thanks to you, Bo. Now, have you collected this series of coins? Do you have the strike your own? I'll be interested to find out. Do you agree with me what I've said about the Winnie the Pooh series of coins? write it down in the comments field. If you've enjoyed this video, please would you give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, could you think seriously about subscribing? I'm only a few people short of making my targets for 100 for the year, so I would be grateful if you do subscribe, and it doesn't cost you anything. It's all free of charge. In ending this video, I'd like to say, wish everybody who's having a hunt good luck, and I hope they find the coins they're looking for. If they're buying coins, wherever you're getting them from, I hope you can get them at the price you want to pay. And lastly, as we close the video off, thank you all for staying and viewing. I have 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something you enjoy in the next week. And until we meet up at the next time on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, ta-da, bye-bye, ta-da now.